In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Clickup quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and streamline your task management process with just a few simple steps. First, you need to head over to Clickup, your go-to app for all things work related. If you haven't already bookmarked their page, simply type clickup.com into your browser's search bar and hit enter. Once you've landed on their homepage, you're going to want to click on the login button, which you will typically find in the upper right corner of the screen. This will lead you to the login page where you have several options to access your account, but let's keep it seamless by selecting Sign In with Google. This option is especially handy if you like to keep your digital workspace connected. Just a couple of clicks and you're in. Now, you'll be prompted to select your Google account, so go ahead and pick the one associated with your Clickup workspace. Just a quick note here, be sure it's the same account, otherwise you might end up in a different Clickup workspace, and that can be quite confusing. After choosing your account, you'll be taken right into your Clickup environment. Take a moment to soak it all in, because from here we'll start creating that form. Navigate to the list where you want to integrate your form. Lists in Clickup act as containers for your tasks, so choosing the right one is crucial for maintaining an organized workflow. Once you've picked your list, make your way over to the View section. You're going to click on View, and from there you'll see an option for Form New. This is where the magic happens. Clicking Form New will kickstart the process of building your form. At this point, you might have different forms to choose from depending on previous templates or your workspace setup. Simply select the form that best suits your needs from the provided options. This selection is vital because it tailors the form's structure to fit your specific requirements right from the get-go. And there you have it, you've just created a form in Clickup. This process is designed to be simple yet powerful, seamlessly integrating into your existing workflows to help you manage tasks, gather inputs, and keep everything organized. Whether you're conducting surveys, gathering feedback, or organizing event registrations, creating forms with Clickup is a straightforward solution that enhances efficiency. Remember, being methodical in setting up your workspace initially pays off immensely in the long run, so take your time to explore Clickup's additional form customization options if you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy